Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at VIX and tvix on the daily and weekly time frame, and after a bullish reversal was confirmed holding key $13 support, we saw a rejection from the moving average resistances, the 10-day and the middle Bollinger Band, both 1393 and 1421. So from here, it's going to be a very tight channel to start next week. We're either going to close below $13 and lose that support, or close above the middle Bollinger Band and start the potential for a short-term uptrend. So 1421, the high of today was 1419, so we'll be looking for a break of that level. Make sure and check out the weekly chart I did, the SPY video, looking at the S&P 500 on the weekly chart, as we may be getting a little toppy here, and if we are, that means $13 support would hold. So if you are trading, or if you're currently in a position, I wouldn't suggest it, but if you find yourself in a position, a close below $13 could be your exit point, and to sit back and wait for things to settle or wait for the bulls to show up a bit more. Weekly chart rejected the past 3-4 weeks in a row from the 200 and 100 week moving averages, 1538 and 1609. If you want to be really cautious as a trader, you will wait until these levels are support. Many people have been trying to catch this VIX bottom for the past 2 months, and many people have lost a lot of money trying to do so. So there's a balance between risk and reward, and you give up a little bit of the reward, you don't try and nail the exact bottom, and that substantially reduces your risk. So for this instance, if you wanted to wait for this 100 week moving average to become support, that would mean the 200 week and the 10 week were support as well. And again, you'd lose some of the reward, but the risk would be substantially less. Checking in on tvix, very similar setup. Moving average resistance is not even tested, and you can see every time they are tested, we see weakness. So middle Bollinger Band 426 is the gauge of strength for the bulls on tvix, and until they can get above it, I'm not going to believe anything they say. So 426 and dropping. Once we get above it, we'll start looking for some upside. Let's check out the weekly for tvix. No sign of the bulls. We had one bullish reversal candlestick. It was not confirmed, and a sea of red. So still waiting, still patient, not trying to time the bottom, waiting for the bulls to show up, and then having that nice risk to reward ratio a bit more in your favor. So we'll keep checking back in on the markets and tvix. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.